Tap her.
Hi.
Next is Olo. Tap him.
Oh, hi there.
Oh no! Where did Peck go? Can you find him and drag him into the light?
I'm Peck. Yippee!
And this is Rhea. Tap her.
Hello.
Move our friends to play with them. Tap the green button next to me when you're done. Rhea is not under her photo. Drag her to the dotted rectangle under her photo. Yay! Now Rhea is under her photo. Tap me if you ever need help. Slide the characters to put them under their photos. Tap the green button when you are done. You did it! Now let's get ready to go outside and see if there's a surprise. All our friends are ready to go. Tap them all.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, hey-ya! Oh, hello.
Woohoo! I can't wait to see what the truck brought. We learned so much together. Pick your favorite gift. Tap and count all the hats on top.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow! Did you see those sparkles go to the truck? That means you got it right. Now put your favorite hat on the cat. What a neat hat. Tap me if you ever need help. Give a hat to the cat and the dog. Looking good! Try putting different hats on them. Tap the green button when you're done. I love trying on hats. Now let's see if the truck has something for us.
These gifts look like fun. Pick the gift that you like best. Oh, I love ice cream! Who is last in line to get an ice cream cone? The animal at the end of the line is last. Olo will get his ice cream cone last. I am last. But I still love ice cream.
Who is last in line? You tapped Olo, who is last in line. Who is first in line? You tapped Rhea, who is first in line. Let's count some more. Who is last in line? Keep it up. You tapped the one who is last in line. Tap me if you ever need help.
What?
Who is first in line? Good job. Who is last in line? Good thinking. Which is the green one? Good work.
Now let's stop. Now let's stop.
Put a hat on each character.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Super duper. I love learning about first